What's up guys, Earl here for YugaTech, and just a few months of introducing the OPPO A94, OPPO Philippines now officially released this OPPO A95 in the country. It is a little bit pricey than its predecessor, the A94, but packs better hardware and larger battery. It features a 6.43-inch AMOLED display, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 chipset, 8 gigs of RAM plus 5 gigs RAM expansion, 128 gigs of storage, and 5,000 mAh battery. If you are curious about this phone, then just keep on watching for our first impressions. Before we get into it, of course, let's check out what's inside the box. As we lift up the lid, we are greeted with another box that includes the complimentary SIM ejector tool, jelly case, and the paperwork. Underneath that, you'll get the unit itself. Let's set it aside first. Then below the A95, you can find your USB Type-C cable and a 33-watt charging brick. So now, let's talk about the OPPO A95. Right off the bat, this phone has an attractive back cover that can definitely capture your attention. It has a smooth matte finish with an iridescent glow that changes colors depending on the angle of the lighting. You also don't need to worry about fingerprint smudges and dust with this device. Also here at the back, you'll find the protruding triple camera setup at the top left corner. What we have here is the glowing rainbow silver color, but it is also available in starry black if you prefer a more classic looking phone. In the hands, it feels thin and lightweight at 175 grams. It is also comfortable to hold thanks to its curved edges. However, it is quite slippery, but you can use the free jelly case included in the box for your peace of mind. Flipping to its front, the OPPO A95 boasts a 6.43-inch AMOLED display with 2400 by 1080p resolution or equal to 409 ppi and 60 Hz refresh rate. The bezels are thin but more noticeable at the bottom. Well, it is an impressive display which gives you a good viewing angles, but there's no mention of any glass protection here, but we do have a screen protector pre-installed. Noticeably, it's got a hole punch notch on the upper left for the 16-megapixel selfie camera, while like usual, found at the top of the display by the bezel is the earpiece. For buttons and ports, on the left side are the plastic volume rocker, and just above it is a triple card tray for 2 nano-size SIM cards and a micro SD card. Meanwhile, on the right is the power/slack button. The buttons are firm and clicky. It is also easily reachable since it is placed near the middle of the frame. There's nothing at the top, while down at the bottom there's the 3.5mm headphone jack, main microphone, USB-C, and the loudspeaker. For internals, powering the OPPO A95 is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 with an Adreno 610 GPU, 8 gigs of RAM, and 128 gigs of internal storage. There's OPPO's RAM expansion technology here, so if the phone runs out of usable space, users can choose to convert a portion of the available ROM to virtual RAM to keep the phone operating smoothly. We'll test this more in our full review. Now when it comes to software, it runs on Android 11, skinned with ColorOS 11.1. Then battery-wise, it packs a large 5,000 mAh capacity with 33-watt fast charging. We'll know about this device once we're done with our review, so definitely stay tuned for that. Now for cameras, the main shooter utilizes a 48-megapixel camera, 2-megapixel macro, and a 2-megapixel one for sensing depth. For now, check out these quick sample shots that we got. If you are wondering about the price, the OPPO A95 has a tag of 15,999 pesos, and this will be officially available in all OPPO brand stores, partner dealers, Shopee, and Lazada on December 1. So, what do you guys think about the OPPO A95? Are you excited on its new features? Well, do let us know in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Rel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.